Welcome back! Here we are again for another installment of 4over University. You're doing great, and by now you should be feeling pretty comfortable with the site. Today we're going to cover how to use 4over templates using Photoshop and Illustrator. First, log into your account on 4over.com. After logging in, you'll want to click on the Resources tab and then click on Templates. Some templates offer 3 file types. The file types are a PSD, which stands for Photoshop document, an EPS, which stands for Encapsulated PostScript file, and a JPEG, which is also called an image file format. Currently, the only file types our business card templates offer are EPS and JPEG. Choose the file format that works best for you, based on the job that you're printing. For this demonstration, we've chosen the business cards template. The standard business card size is 2 by 3.5 inches with a bleed of 0.125, which means the files should be 2.125 by 3.625 inches. Files can be opened with either Mac or PC. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll use a Mac, but here are the steps if you're on a PC. Mac users, click on the JPEG, EPS, or PDS file, and then choose Save File or Save Image. To open your file on a Mac, simply drag and drop the template file onto the program that you'd like to use, and it will open automatically. Our templates have some important lines that need mentioning. The red center line is the cut line. This is where your job will be cut. There are 2 other important lines that you need to pay attention to in case there is a shift in cutting. The black outside line is the bleed line. Your background color and image needs to extend out to this line. The blue line is the safety line. All important text needs to be within this line. Once the template is open, you'll find your designer toolbar on the left and your art file layers on the right. Use any of the tools available to you in the toolbar to the left to create and design your business card. If you're first creating the artwork, use the template as a guide and then delete the template layer after creating your work. If you're checking artwork that's already created, you can move the artwork on top of the template and then change the transparency to check that the artwork follows 4over guidelines. To do this, select Shift and then click and drag to move the artwork over. Using any numbers to the right side of your keyboard will change the transparency settings, or you can use a slider. If you're working with an EPS file, you'll find the words "Do Not Touch" on your layers. This is because those 2 layers contain important information that should be left alone. The bottom layer is the template layer, and the layer above it is the crop mark layer. Look to the left and you'll see 2 boxes along with the warning "Do Not Touch." Click on the inside of the boxes to turn layer visibility on and off. The other box with the lock image allows you to lock and unlock layers. Please do not unlock the layers. Let's say you want to add text. Select the artwork layer and then choose the T or the type tool to start typing. The artwork layer is where all of your artwork will go as you continue to design your card. You can begin with an artwork layer and then create as many layers on top of that to complete your design, as long as you don't design on the template layers. The artwork will most likely cover your template, so you will not be able to see it. If this is the case, use the opacity slider tool located on the top toolbar of the Illustrator program, and your artwork will become transparent. Once creation and editing are complete, make sure to turn off or delete the layers that include the template. This will prevent the layers from being shown and printed once it's been exported. Once you've completed the work, simply export or save your file to 4over's preferred PDF format or a file of your choosing. JPEG, EPS, and TIFF files are also accepted. And there you have it! Time really flies, and our time together has already come to an end. We look forward to seeing you again real soon for another installment of 4over University. For additional information regarding 4over templates, please reference our frequently asked questions at 4over.com, which can be found under Resources. As always, you can also contact us at 1-877-782-2737 for further assistance. Thank you for choosing 4over. Until next time, outsourcing geniuses.